Look at that. It's what, the 23rd of February, and it's snowing here in the desert. This is snow, kids. It says it's only 38 degrees outside, which is probably why it looks like it's melting really fast, but oh yeah, it's all over the top of the RV. It's melting really quick on the car. Well, that's okay. It's snowing. What the heck? You can see in the distance, a couple miles, it's dropping some moisture. And the mountains aren't visible, so it's dropping moisture on me right here, right now. I know it's simple. It's only snow, but in the desert, it's a rare commodity. Kind of neat. Look at that. Well, if I get enough, I'll lay down and make another snow angel. See you, bye.